Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView in Exness. While direct integration for trade execution isn't available, you can still leverage TradingView's powerful charting and analysis tools to inform your trading decisions. We'll explore a practical approach to combine these two platforms, ensuring you get the best of both worlds for your Forex and CFD trading. This method allows for thorough market analysis before executing trades on Exness. To begin, set up your workspace efficiently. Have TradingView open on one screen or tab, displaying your preferred charts and technical indicators. Simultaneously, log into your Exness trading terminal, such as MetaTrader 4 or 5, in another window. Ensure you are viewing the same currency pairs or assets on both platforms. This dual-screen or dual-tab approach allows for seamless transition between analysis and execution, making your trading process smoother and more informed. Now, focus on analysis within TradingView. Utilize its extensive suite of indicators, drawing tools, and charting patterns to identify high-probability trade setups. Pinpoint precise entry and exit points, and clearly define your stop-loss and take-profit levels. You can also set up alerts on TradingView to notify you when specific market conditions are met, prompting you to prepare for trade execution on Exness. This careful preparation is crucial for successful trading outcomes. Finally, execute your trade on the Exness platform. Navigate to the trading terminal and select the asset you analyzed. Input your desired trade volume, entry price, and crucially, set your stop-loss and take-profit orders exactly as determined in TradingView. Once your order is placed, monitor its progress directly within your Exness account. This systematic approach ensures your analysis translates directly into disciplined trade execution, managing your risk effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.